In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to add multiple wallpapers on your home screen. So let's hop straight into the video. First, swipe down from the top left-hand corner. Now, press and hold on the screen. Flip over to the right and click on the blue plus icon. Now, click Shuffle and hit Choose Photos manually. Now select all the photos that you would like to use. Then hit Add. Now click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner and select when you would want to add your photos to change. You can set it to daily, hourly, or on tap. And that's how to set multiple pictures on your lock screen. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Deuces!